Hello everyone. This is to all the new drivers who are looking for cheap car insurance. Avoid this company like the plague. They are called Insure the Box. They are on Compare the Meerkat, on the comparison sites. They offer cheap car insurance and they say they put a black box in your car to watch you. However, I had a terrible customer service from them, which I'll explain in a bit. I then went on Trustpilot only to find several other customers complaining about similar things. What I'm going to do at the end of this video, I'm going to post each of these clips in a photograph so you can read them carefully to read them. It's just page after page of negative complaints. Insure the Box have cancelled my policy. What they did, they cancelled my policy. It was very unfair. I got a message saying, we've cancelled your policy. I phoned them up. I was like, why have you cancelled my policy? What's happened? They were like, well, your policy's cancelled. We can't do anything about it now. I said, well, can you not just reinstate it? Is there anything that can do? They said no. They said no. I spoke to them for about 3 days, like saying, look, I need my car. I've got to go to work. If I haven't got my car, I can't travel anywhere. I can't do anything. What can I do? They said, one custom person at their company said to me, they can't take you back because premium credit won't allow it back, because once a policy is cancelled, premium credit won't take it back. I phoned up premium credit because I have other insurance with premium credit. I went straight back on there and premium credit were like, of course we'll take you back. It just depends on if the customer will allow you to go back or not. I called them back. I said, look, premium credit have told me they will take it back. Can you just reinstate it and just move on from there? I'm a new driver. It's just been a bit of a nightmare with this. Everything's been fine until now. You've just all of a sudden cancelled my policy. They're like, no, no, no. I then phoned up I spoke to another lady. She said, we will take you back. You need to pay the cancellation fee for this. We'll take you back. And then, can you see all of these pages of negative reviews from this company? So she said, we'll take you back, just pay the cancellation fee, we'll take you back, and then we'll give you a quote. Pay the cancellation fee and we'll give you a quote. So I went on the Compare the Meerkat website, got a new quote, it all went through, and then I got another message from them saying, we're going to cancel your policy. They took the money from me, and then they said, we're going to only refund you £80 out of the 270 something pound deposit that I'd given them. Again, the first time I paid them 400 and something pound for the deposit. This time it was 270 something. And they still took the money. There's people on there. I should read some of these to you. This is a new one that's just gone up today. Some of these reviews say, Insure the Box have cancelled my policy. I've been on holiday. I've come back. They've been cancelled my policy. Some people are like, the service is terrible. Some people have said that the boxer said they've been speeding when they haven't. Let's see what this says. Oh, this was what I was saying. They said, horrible car insurance, had the black box for a year, kept to the speed limit, and I still put me in a red score. But the thing is, it seemed to me like it might be some kind of a scam why they keep cancelling people's policies. Because the thing is, once your policy is cancelled and you declare you've had a cancelled policy, your insurance goes up. And Insure the Box have got sister companies, which they've told me about, which are Drive Like a Girl and Tesco Box Insurance. And something to do in the box, Insure the Box admin. But I'll have to find out who the sister companies are. But for all I know, they've got more sister companies who they put a price to once they've cancelled it. Made me fill in details. These scammers now have my email. They've not the one registered with Trustpilot. And then you get a leading page say they could not help me. I'm a young driver. It seems to me like they target a lot of new drivers and then cancel their policies for whatever the case may be, knowing that that driver is now going to have to spend a hell of a lot more money getting a new policy, otherwise they can't drive their car. As a new driver, it was the cheapest insurance. I couldn't find it anywhere else. They have the cheek to cancel my policy less than 2 weeks before the end of my policy, yet my policy was coming to an end and they cancelled mine too. 2 weeks before the end of your policy. What a cheek. Because you know what, that person gets no claims discount. They have to get a new policy and you've got cancellation 2 weeks before the end of their policy. That is insane. Alistair, I'm so sorry. I know how you feel. All of these people have got their information. You can see all their names on there, so there might be a way you can contact these people to find out. But just avoid this company like the plague. Such a bad insurance company. I paid insurance for $1,500 a year. I sold my car after 3 months. Oh, it's not worth anxiety. It's so stressful when you don't have insurance on your car. Terrible, do not use. I would rate 0 if I could. Absolutely shocking. One person, horrible invasion of privacy. Do not use this company. Do not use this company. Poor customer service. This is probably somebody who just took it out and was happy. It's only after a while that you get annoyed with them. Don't be fooled by the cheap quote. That's what I'm saying. They just seem to snag you in, and then all of a sudden they cancel your policy or do something messed up to you, which makes your insurance policy go even higher. It seems to me like it's a scam. This person said, F the insure the box. I don't know about the language, but this person is clearly as angry as me, because I'm not a sweary person, but this person is clearly as angry as me. That's why I'm making these videos. I'm warning people. Avoid this company. Let me put up their logo again. Avoid this company like the plague. They will distress your credit rating, distress your driving. Your insurance policy will be double the amount it should have been. I phoned up a next company to get a quote. The first thing the woman did was say to me, have you got any failed insured thing? The company were much, anyway. No, in fact, no, I'm going to explain. The next company I spoke to, the lady, I'm not going to mention their name, but they were more professional. They handled me properly. They asked me the relevant questions, which is Insure the Box didn't. Might explain that on another video, but I'm just making these videos to warn you guys. New drivers, avoid Insure the Box at all costs. I'm going to make a few more videos about this because there's a lot more that I need to go into, but stay away from this company.